I see robin bird on the ground. They're right there. Hello, make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. It's beautiful day. It's 60 degrees out here and the robin is out looking for food. Early bird special. So make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's been a vlog. There's the robin right there. The two of them. The other one is right there. So shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello, and it's me again. It's been a vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Shout out to you all and like and share my YouTube channel. It's me again. It's been a vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Hello, Mr. Robin, and it's me again. It's been a vlog. It's Monday afternoon. Um, March 10th, 2025. So, thank you for watching. God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. They're right there. The other one it flew away. So, the other one is right here. So, thank you for watching. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. And it's me again. It's been a vlog saying hello to you all. And enjoy the rest of your afternoon. And God bless you all. So long and thank you for watching. God bless. Hello, Mr. Robin is right there. Is Mr. Robin the bird right there. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. See you again soon. Enjoy watching and take care and God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you all. So long.